Creating 3D models. You need a lot of skill and knowledge. It takes hours and hours to sculpt the perfect 3D model. But how amazing would it be if you could just create a 3D model out of anything and all you need to do is move a camera? Well, you are in luck. Because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you a new amazing tool. It is the CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D scanner from Creality, which you can use with your mobile and PC. I am going to show you how it looks, how it works, and on top of that, I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. So are you excited? Well, let's go! The people from Creality hit me up and were so kind to give me the CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D scanner so I can show you how it works. And by the way, the link to the product is in the description. Okay, so let's do the unboxing first. Let's open this box. Here we go. That looks amazing already. It comes in a nice hard carrying case. Let's open the carrying case with the zipper. This is what is in the case. Let's inspect each element. This one is the phone holder. This one is the rechargeable handle, which comes with an on and off feature. You can turn it on with a short press and you can turn it off with a double press. Here is another look at it. The quality is really durable, and the bottom part is made out of a premium rubber which gives a nice feel to it. Next, there is the quick mount kit. It's a nice extra. Then we've got the tripod right here, which we can expand like this. This is the CR Scan Ferret Pro scanner, an incredibly powerful camera. Okay, and then let's open this one. This is the wireless bridge. Okay, nice. Now here on top, there is another zipper. Let's open it and take everything out of there. What do we got here? Well, a lot of cables. And we even got some marker stickers here. And guys, do not eat this thing right here. Haha, okay, what's next? Oh yes, and we also got the quick start guide and the warranty card. Now it is time to put the elements together. Just start with the tripod, and now screw the rechargeable handle on top of it. Now connect the phone holder with the 3D scan camera, and put it on the screws alongside the wireless bridge. Now take the power cable for the wireless bridge and connect the wireless bridge with the rechargeable handle, so it will look like this. Last thing to finish the build-up is to take this data cable for the wireless bridge and connect the wireless bridge with the 3D scan camera. Now we come to the next step. Before we can make a 3D scan, we need to download the Creality Scan app. They also have an Android app, so find it in the App Store and download the app. Let's open the app. Let's allow everything so everything will work smoothly. Here in the beginning, they give you a lot of information on how to get the best results, etc. Okay, now we need to join the wireless network from the 3D scanner. Make sure to turn on your 3D scanner, of course. So, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and then connect with the Ferret network. Now we can go back to the Creality app, and look, now we are connected. Let's start the fun and click on New Scan. This is how it looks. I will make a 3D model out of this trophy horse, this horse statue. At the bottom it gives you instructions on how you should move the 3D scanner, if you should move away or move closer. When you can see that it has recognized your object, you can press Start. Now you need to move the 3D scanner around your object, and sometimes just wait and hold it in one position. This is how it looks from the outside. And this, what you are seeing right now, happens on your phone. In the left corner, we can see how many frames it has captured. The more frames it has, the more detailed it will look. The more your object is green, the better the end result will be. When you are done, you can click Next. Now it will begin the optimization process. Look, here it is. This is a first look. As you can see, it did an amazing job, but since I did not scan the backside of the model, it is open. But no worries, I will also do a second try and also show you a trick. Now click Next, and a mesh will be created. That looks so cool. Now click Next again, and now color will be added. This is the result. That is just stunning. But guys, as promised, I want to make a better version of this trophy horse. So click on Done, and then click on New Scan. This time I did a more thorough scan. And instead of around 800 frames, this time I captured around 1500 frames. And as with everything in life, practice makes perfect. Because I learned an even better thing. After you've scanned everything, and the model has been optimized, you have a few options. So I turned on the hole filling, and I also turned on the closure. And on top of that, I changed the format to OBJ. Because I believe that is a very widely used format in the 3D space. And then I hit Next. And guys, look at this stunning result. It is just amazing. And yes, it also scanned a bit of the table, but no worries, I will also show you how to easily delete that. And now click Next again for the color mapping. Look at this. Isn't this just amazing? This literally took a few minutes, just me waving the 3D scanner around the object, that's it. It's just like magic. And guys, I also scanned this camera. I just waved it around. And look at the result. And last but not least, I scanned this goose. This is really great stuff. Since I really liked the second 3D scan of my trophy horse, I will use that to work on it some more on my computer. Now, there are many ways to export your model to your computer, and one of the ways to do it is to click on the Share button and then either press Model or Project. I first packaged it as a project, and then I simply sent it to myself on WhatsApp. And then simply download it with the web WhatsApp app on your computer. Before I'm going to show you how to edit and sell your newly scanned model, I will show you how you can use your PC instead of your mobile to scan objects. Okay, first we need to download the Creality scan program for our computer, and then install it. While it is being installed, go ahead and take the cable for computer. Put the USB in your computer and put the other end into your 3D scanner like this. Okay, now that the Creality Scan app is done installing, let's open that program. That is great. It confirms that we connected the 3D scanner. Now we can go ahead and click on Scan. And now we can scan any object we want again. I scanned this object only for a few seconds, just to give you an impression how it works on PC. The beauty of doing it with your PC is that after you have completed the scan and your model is ready, you can easily download it to your PC. But to be honest, I really like the flexibility you get when you use your mobile. You can just go anywhere and create a 3D model. This is the future, and I am loving it. And guys, it gets even better, because now I want to show you how you can make money with it. But before we can do that, we need to edit our 3D model a bit. So let's download a 3D program. Let's download Blender. It is a free and widely used program. And then install it, like you would install any other program. Let's open Blender. Now go to File, and then go to Import, and then click the file format you saved your model. So I will click on wavefront.obj, and then select the OBJ file from your 3D scan. And guys, most likely you will need to zoom out to see your object because it is so large, you can zoom out by scrolling. Let's take a closer look at it. That looks stunning. Let's change the mode to Edit mode. That is really impressive. Imagine creating all these lines by hand. That would take months, if not years. While we are in Edit mode, we can delete the parts we do not like. Just select it and then press Delete, and then click on Vertices. And do that a few times till everything is gone. When you're done, click on File, and then on Export and select a format. I will do OBJ again, and then save it to a destination folder and give it a name. Okay guys, now we are going to sell this model. Yes, you can sell 3D models online. There are many sites that do that, like Etsy, CG Trader and Turbo Squid. Let's take Turbo Squid for example. Just go to the website and create an account. Click on your profile and then select Sell your 3D models. Scroll down and click Let's get started and fill out all the details. Next, you should get on this dashboard. Go to Publishing and click Turbo Squid Publishing and then click on Create a new product. Now here, you have to upload your OBJ file, enter a title, description and tags, set a price, and you also need to create some product images. And when you are done, just click on Publish. And the other thing you can do to make money with this 3D scanner is to sell your services of creating 3D models via Fiverr. And by the way, guys, you can easily charge the rechargeable handle with the cable for PC. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Get your own 3D scanner and create something amazing. The link is in the description. Have a lot of fun and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.